Hi everybody, we're here at TCT 2023 and as you can see we've got the F370CR here on the stand. This particular machine is absolutely ideal for producing prototype concept models, but also now we've got some super materials on here like nylon 10CF, which is a 10% carbon fill. That material is ideal for applications where you need that extra bit of strength in there, so parts like machining fixtures, soft jaws, or even more robust jigs and fixtures for the shop floor. This is absolutely ideal for those particular applications. As you can see, as we come further down in this particular cabinet here, we've got parts from the H350 machine, which is our powder bed system. Again, this technology is perfect for end-use parts. If you've got series production where you don't want to commit to tooling, then please do talk to us about H350. We've got some fantastic packing densities, best-in-class packing densities in the powder business. Our Origin machine here, as you can see, this is our DLP technology. This is really fantastic surface quality, high resolution printing. This particular machine has got heated chamber, which allows us to use some really exotic materials. Materials such as Loctite 3955, which is super chemically resistant and really high temperature. So for connectors or for any of those little parts that again are for serial production, then this technology is going to be perfect for you. As we come across then the stand, we've got a few of our medical parts here on display. So specifically some of these parts are from the DAP machine, the digital anatomy printer. And so you can see here how you can get very lifelike, not just looking parts, but also feeling parts now with materials like the gel matrix and bone matrix. It allows surgeons to actually do preoperative planning and really reduce that surgery time. So again, a fantastic solution. On this side of the stand then, we've got the Fortus 450. The Fortus 450 machine, again, best in class FDM. This machine gives us 16 different validated and preferred materials from Stratasys, but also is on a what's called OpenAM now, which allows you to actually go in there and play with the different material parameters to create your own material choices. That might be materials such as PEEK, it might be materials such as carbon filled materials or glass filled materials, and that really all comes from this best in class solution, the Fortus 450. On the front of the stand then, we've got one of our PolyJet machines. This is the system, the J35, where we can actually plug in 3 different base resins. This is a machine that's perfect for prototyping. So on the system here we can plug in 3 of our base resins and deposit those onto the tray at the same time to allow us to print in maybe clear, rubber and white material, but also then to overmold those 2 materials as well. The slightly larger version of this, the J55, allows us to plug in 5 materials, and the J50 then with even further materials from there. And that would then allow us to print parts with full colour, such as this part here, so you can really see the detail that you can get down to. So if you've not had a chance to come and see us yet at TCT, then we're here for 2 days, then please do come and see us. We're on H29, and if you don't get a chance to come see TCT this year, then we're available anytime from our demo centre in Derby.